Hello everybody. Ano po yung nasa saad sa Presidential Decree number 1586 or the Philippine Environmental Impact Statement System? Meron pong categorization ng project, lalong-lalo doon po sa Memorandum Circular 2014-005. Merong categorization po ng mga project at ito po yung apat na categories. Category A, Category B, Category C, and Category D. Category A projects are environmentally critical projects like power plant, like mining, or project located in environmentally critical areas. Areas that are protected, areas declared by law, that are potential tourist spot. So these are Category A projects. Category B projects are considered non-environmentally critical project and based on applicable Memorandum Circular 2014-005, particularly Annex A, providing the threshold values of the projects that can be considered Category B project. Now, Category C are environmental enhancement or direct mitigation project, like the recycling industries. We have also the Category B non-environmentally critical project like hospital, like piggery with stocking population more than 100 heads, or poultry with stocking population more than 10,000 heads. So those are Category B. And Category C are environmental enhancement or direct mitigation project, again like slope protection project. And finally, Category D, those projects that are unlikely to cause adverse environmental impact, like a very small rural health unit, small clinic, or a store, a restaurant, not more than 10,000 square meter, or let us say equal or less than 10,000 square meter floor area. So Category A and Category B are type of projects that are required by the system based on Section 4 of PD 1586 to secure environmental compliance certificate. We have the certificate of non-coverage for Category C and Category D. So that's the requirement of DNR to project proponents for their proposed or new project or project that are operating without ECC or CMC. Thank you very much, everyone.